Hiya guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be telling you how to write a script where when you touch a part you receive a badge. So let's get right into it. So what you want to first do is go over to view and open Explorer and properties. And then go over back to home and press part. And then you can just resize this or color this as much as you want, just do whatever. And then after that you go over to the plus on it and insert a script. And now just follow along what I'm gonna write. Now after writing the script, you go over to your game page on Roblox, press on the three dots, and then press configure this experience. And then you scroll down, and then you go over to badges, and then you create a badge and do all the things you want to do, which I already have. So then you go over to your badge, and then you go over to the three dots and press copy asset ID. And then after that you go back to Roblox Studio, go over to your script, and on this badge ID line you paste in your badge, and then that's it. And then I'll go over to Roblox and show you that the script is working. And as you can see guys, as soon as I go over to step on the part, look, I received the badge. So that's how you write the badge script when you touch a part. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment down below, and please subscribe to the channel. We're trying to reach 300 subscribers. Anyways, bye guys.